Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Nissan 300ZX twin turbo, and this is by Hot Wheels from their 90's Street Scene series, and I bought it for the MRP, which is $299. So this looks really awesome. This particular color, which really pops. Let's unbox and see how this one actually looks. Okay, let me just put this card aside. Okay, so here is the casting itself. So the first impressions of this casting, you can see the paint job, right? You can see a lot of irregularities here. Some people told, so when I normally review the main lines, a lot of people comments said just 179. How much you can expect from metal and all these things. Now I am paying 299. I expect more. They need to do it, right? So we are paying for that, right? Then they need to do it. If they are not ready to do it, or if they are not able to do it, then don't do it. Instead of giving something half baked and something looks like shit, don't do anything at all. We will be happy to buy the local branded ones, which looks way better for 100 or 150 rupees or 120 rupees. There is one brand called Let's-Key. I do have one, that Jimny's copied version, that looks very beautiful and it looks really nice, and it is literally like matching Majorette's casting. So I'm not sure why metal is not able to do all these things. Okay, you can see here, I think this is an acrylic piece. If you see, yeah, it is acrylic. The headlight is acrylic, which is nice, but still it has a lot of issues. You can see, I think they painted on top of it. At least this time the logo is a bit clear. So it has all the headlight details, the fog lamp and everything. So the body is fully metal, including the spoiler, and the chassis is plastic. So it has exhaust detail also. But older Hot Wheels used to have the entire chassis detailing. I do have some older Hot Wheels, like which I bought somewhere around 2015 and 2016, around that time till 2017, I guess. So I was looking that the other day, that looks way better than this one when it comes to the chassis detailing. So the body is exactly the same. Most of the time they use the same casting for this part, the body part. So the rims looks good. So the paint job is like it's kind of a glittery green, not too much glitter. It's very subtle, and you can see the interior detail as well, but everything is scratched here. So this is, as you can see, I just unboxed it, right? This is a new one. So it has tail light detailing as well. It has rear view mirrors, which is nice. So I really wish people who does this mods and everything, I think they can do a lot better with this particular casting. They can just repaint this entire thing, maybe the exact same color or a different green, green color or something, and they can do a lot of things with this one. So it has wiper detailing on both front and rear, which is really nice. Okay, let's weigh this car. Okay, this is 36 grams. Okay, so the previous ones were like some 33 grams and 32 grams. So this is 36. But honestly, this doesn't feel heavy as the Lancer, but this is heavier, if you put it on a weighing scale. So okay, let's do a roll test. Okay, it does roll really well. Reached the end. Okay, third try. 3 out of 3, which is really nice. So overall this casting is really nice, apart from the part where mine is having a lot of damages. So I'm not sure about yours, guys, if you are able to get this set at all. So I'm really sorry if you guys are not able to get this set. just just keep a lookout on Facebook and everywhere. There are some people who are still selling this for, they are at least selling this for MRP plus shipping somewhere around 150 to 200. That is reasonable in my opinion, because shipping usually costs somewhere between 150 to 200, depends upon the location you are living. So that is fine. So if you are able to get in that specific range, go ahead and buy it. Not more than that, don't be that desperate. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.